Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Cats All Create, and I am coming on today with a VR response. Excuse my light. Oh, I was trying to see if you could see this clear. But I'm doing a VR response for Wagman510, and this is I want to say Elisha. I'm sorry if I say it wrong, Elisha. Uh, it takes me a while before I remember names, and yeah, sorry. So I apologize. So anyways, this is a VR response to her channel. She is fairly a new crafter here on YouTube, and so far she is incredible. I love how she explains everything so clearly. She sounds like a spokesman or spokesperson, and she's awesome. It's just she has me really entertained in her channel. Anyway, so like I said, she's a fairly new crafter. She's um learning as she goes, and that's good because you know what, sometimes we forget where we started off at. And by seeing her how she's doing um her ways, you kind of learn too, because I know she's done a lot of projects that I haven't even tried doing, and I really applaud her for doing all that, really. So anyways, this VR is for her, and it is for flat mail that she has going on right now. It's a flat mail challenge that she has going on. Let me go ahead and show you a little bit of that one right there. And basically it's bringing flat mail back into the craft community for the paper crafters. She does mention Shara Crane. She's a YouTuber here on YouTube as well, and she mentions her a lot on the ways that how she used to do flat mail. But basically flat mail, we take it for granted that we forget to send, I want to say not send, but we, like for me, I would love to send a lot of mail to a lot of my fellow crafters, to a lot of my supporters. And sometimes I find it hard because I feel like I have to send them something like really, really big. But in reality, flat mail and exchanging flat mail, it's probably something easy and simple. And a lot of, like, if I were to get flat mail from somebody, I would really appreciate it because this person actually took their time to actually send me something. It might not be anything big, like we're so used to, I'm so used to seeing big boxes being sent, packaged boxes so embellished and everything. But in reality, I would be really appreciative to just receive anything small. And so yeah, so she's challenging to do that too, to send her something. It doesn't have to be anything big. You could send her from anything from a memory dex card, a pocket letter, and she gives you basically instructions here on how to do it. She tells you like what she expects or what she's wanting from you. And it's not much. It's something little, like really small, and something really small, like anybody could send that. So anyways, please go over to her channel, support her. She, like I said, she's a new YouTuber. I love her. I just love her. All I could say is I love her. She's very creative. She's finding new ways, just makes you think out of the box basically. So anyways, I'll link her channel down in the description below. And thank you guys for taking the time to watch this. Hopefully I didn't ramble on too long or too much like I always do, but you guys have an awesome day. Bye.